too nice just straight out the package. I love this like wave pattern and stuff. I have recently unboxed a wig like this, only it's like a lace front. You know, I gotta do the most with that one to get it to work out. And my head is big and it kind of looks weird, but that's the other wig that looks like this. I was thinking, I just love the like this hair. I love this wave. I just love it. I will say the thing about headband wigs is that I don't like wearing them for too long. Granted, I don't like wearing any type of like wig for too long, but a headband wig, depending on how you secure it in the back and stuff, can just kind of get quite uncomfortable. But I love this. I love this. I just, oh my goodness, y'all. I'm gonna wear it out too. When I say I'm gonna wear it out, that means it's gonna be my go-to wig. Like I'm gonna just throw it on for like any and everything just to be cute real quick. I love this. Worth the money for sure. And I believe I went shopping for this during the Black Friday sale. It's affordable without the sale. This is definitely worth the money, in my personal opinion. I'm gonna be sure to put one of these on my wish list for the future because, yeah, your girl will be buying this again. Oh, it's just so cute. And I really don't even know what I was expecting. The picture is cute. It was just going to be a tough job for this to not turn out right. In my personal opinion, I clicked on that picture so fast, added it to my cart so fast. It was one of my first purchases for Black Friday. I'm just so glad that I got it. It's money well spent. It's a good go-to. I love it. Y'all let me know what you think down below in the comments. I'm gonna go try to record like a little something. I don't know. I'm just so excited about this hair, y'all. It's cute. I'm feeling cute. This outfit is on the chill side, but when I really, yeah. This hair is gonna do what it do. It's gonna do what it do. Comment down below what you think. If you don't mind and if you have time, please like the video. It was a short one. We got straight to the point. I'm giddy. It's a 10 out of 10. No questions asked. 10 out of 10. Y'all see I'm not even studying the headband that it came with, but it did come with a headband. I intend to just shop online for headbands, more my style, but how adorbs, right? Thank you guys so much for watching and making it to the end of the video. You already know I appreciate you. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I've already said this. Please leave me a comment. Just really, I'm asking you to talk to me. Like, just talk to me. Okay. See y'all in the next one. Bye.